Saskatchewan. We're back at it today for some winter storm coverage. So I am, guess where? The Etonia card lock. So today we are going to see some heavy wind gusts, anywhere around the 70 to over 100 kilometer hour gust range. Right now down in Swift Current, they're seeing up over 100 kilometer hour winds. This is dangerous conditions with this snow. So I hope everybody stays safe out there. I'm going to get my anemometer out and we're going to have some fun playing in the wind. All right, time to get this baby going. All right, just here for this 8 a.m. storm hair reports. We're just going to step out from the vehicle and let's see how this is today. I don't know. I might give this a 8 out of 10 for right now. Hi everyone, here for the 9 a.m. update from Etonia, Saskatchewan. So I've made a little switch and I'm just sitting at the football field in town because the snow has kicked up and it's like white out conditions here. So I'll give you a little view of that. Well, my sidekick here, she's been telling us we should go check it out there. Do you want to go check it out? Let's do it. Someone's a little antsy to get out there. Oh, all right. These are the conditions. She's happy to be out here. As you can see, near whiteout conditions here in Etonia, Saskatchewan. Hey Kaya, what did you think? I think the only one that enjoys playing out there more than me is her, so. I wouldn't recommend being out on these highways today though. There is slush build up from the rain that we had last night, near whiteout conditions at times. So it'd be dangerous traveling conditions. So I recommend you guys stay at home unless you have to be out on those roads. I'll be back with another update in about an hour or so. Take care out there. Update here from Etonia, Saskatchewan. We are currently under a blizzard warning in this area. Now, all highways in and around Kindersley are travel not recommended, and Highway 7 between Kindersley and the Alberta border are closed due to a jackknife semi on the Sask Hills. So again, if you guys don't have to be out there today, please stay home because these road conditions are quickly deteriorating. Visibility becomes zero in a matter of seconds. So I'll give you another view outside so you guys can see what's going on and why you should probably just stay home today. it's kind of hard to visualize this, you know, roads like skating rink thing. So I strapped on my old Team Saskatchewan sweater, and here we go.